Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're doing an unboxing on the floor about this ring fill light. I'm not sure what is the brand of this light here. It does not have anything on the box. Everything is still in the plastic. So let's go ahead. It's a 12-inch light, but let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see what's in here. I don't have a clue what's in here. So yeah, let us see what do we have in here. Alright, so we've got this light. So I'm assuming this is the ring light in here. So we've got the light there, and then we have what I would assume it's the stand, and then we have something here. I don't know what's that yet. We have a remote which is actually nicely sealed. That's nice. We have a connector of some sort, and we have another holder. So this is probably a holder for like a phone. Yep, this is a holder for a phone. And we have nothing else. So that is that. So let's start with the ones that we can unpackage. We can start maybe with this light. So we have the ring light. Again guys, I don't know what is the brand. I don't know what is the brand of this. It doesn't say. All it says is ring fill light there, and then there I would assume it would be the type of light it is, but it's not marked. It says there fill light and beauty face, make face and eye in beauty, night core extreme multiple color temperature. It's a 12-inch, if you read there. So this is a 12-inch light. Some wording again. So okay, that's that there. Let's open this guy here. So yes, this is the stand for the light itself. Nothing else in the box. Put it aside. So the light itself, well, it does feel plasticky. I don't know how others are, but it does feel like plastic. This is like those, feels like weak plastic. Doesn't feel premium at all. And there's a connector there. I'm assuming it's a connector for the power source to get the light on. And it has a holder there, most probably. This is where you'd connect this. Yep, there we go. And then your phone would probably come here. So let's take that out for now. Let's see what else we have. So it's a ring light, that phone connector there, the stand. Okay, so this is the stand. My stand already, because the foot come with this rubber feet there, this one is missing its one. So already that's not really a good sign. It's missing that rubber, so clearly it won't be balanced. It won't be that balanced, but it's still steady. It goes up tall. I'm not sure how many meters up. I didn't see any, sorry, I didn't see any booklet or anything in here. Let's see. what's in here. Okay, here is just the power source. So it's the plug. It works via plug, 2-pin plug. You'll need a 2-pin plug to get this thing going. There's a camera, there's a remote. There's the remote. The remote has got like a night mode or something there. It's got an on, off, up, down, side, light, auxiliary, CT minus, CT plus section. I'm not sure what is all of that yet. No batteries, so I need to get batteries. I think I do have AAA batteries. This looks like it's AAA batteries. I do have that, so I will sort that out. I'll put it in. Okay. And this connector, right. Okay, I'm not sure yet how all of this comes together, but that is the unboxing of it, guys. It's got a charger, it's got a remote, it's got this connector here, it's got the ring light itself, there is the phone holder, and then there's a stand. So I'm gonna connect it all together, see how it comes on, so that you guys can also see how it comes on, and then we'll take it from there. Okay guys, so I connected up everything. So like, you know, this thing uses a adapter. You have to get the 2-pin and connect that adapter to your wall mount, and then this connects to the connector by the light there. And yep, this thing is quite tall. If you stretch it out, you'll get a good length, so you can actually use this for a decent like room light. And if let's say you're doing an interview, you can actually use this nicely. This is gonna work well for me, but I'll tell you now about the drawback. So here it has manual modes that you can actually touch. It's more like a touch thing going on here. So you've got the up, the up and the down for the brightness of the light there. This will take you through the different modes of lighting. Because this is, like it says there, 3000K to 6500K, and that's the power button of it there, and they do work well. I've tested them, they work well, and as you can see, you get a LED to show you if it's on. And that connector that I showed you guys, that's where it's connecting. Just after the stand, you screw that in, and then you screw on the light on top there. This adjustment here, you will be able to move the light around as you need. And then this cord here, you can twist it until where you need it. You twist it until it's tight, then you can bend it to where you want to hold it. And that is the drawback for me there. So if you go to the front, so to extend it, you need to obviously open the legs here, then you can just tighten it to make sure the legs don't move. And then here, that's the first place you can extend. The pole goes up till here. From here you go up again until there, and that's the light now. So that's that phone holder there, so you can bend this as you need. So this light stand here, I think, or this ring light, it's for, I believe it's more for smartphones, or phones rather, because this here you've got this little cap. I'm not sure what is that, but maybe if you've got like adapters, you can use that adapter there to click in whatever you're using. Like in my case, I'll have to find the adapter for this here to clip in there in order to use this camera that I'm using, because I'm not using a phone. If you're using a phone, you can simply use that holder there, you will be fine. But if you don't, then you're gonna have an issue there. And then power source, I saw some use the USB I think that would be more efficient, but I don't know if this has to do with the power of this thing, of this light here, because it's pretty bright, I must say. So let's test that. Maybe for a comparison, just check how tall it is against me. Like I said, it's dirty there. It's full of stuff. That's why we're not working on the desk. But we couldn't either way because, damn, look at that thing. Woo! But let me get you on a stand and then you will get to see for yourself how tall this thing is. Look how tall that thing is. It's there. It's up there. So you will get a nice light into a room or into whatever you're doing. I like it. It will help with this unboxing videos now because I do struggle with a bit of light because I do them mostly at night. So this will definitely help, and yeah, I can position it wherever I need to nicely. And then the drawback is just power cable, but I think this helps with the output of the light actually because this thing is pretty bright. But yeah, we'll see soon enough how it is when it's dark and how bright it is. And this is the remote, guys. Basically this remote, it looks, well, it's not fancy. It also doesn't feel like premium. It's like very plasticky. You can hear the plastic there, very plasticky. And yeah, that button there, that button there, that button there basically do the same thing. That do the same thing. That and that do the same thing. That and that does the same thing. I don't know what those buttons do. I tried pressing them while the light is on. I don't know what they do. But this one, and that one, they changed the light. So the different color schemes of light, it's got 3 types. It's that warm light, cool light, and then there's another light. I don't know what you'd call that. So those 3 buttons do that. This 2 will get the brightness up. This 2 will get the brightness down. This one in the middle will get the brightness up and down. So it will take it up and then take it down and then take it up. So as you press it, it will go up until its maximum and then it will come down again. So that's what that does. Obviously this does switch on the light, as you can see if we do that. Boom. So it does work. So it seems like if you press this and you press it again, if you press the on button and you press it again, the light switches. Yeah, I did the same with the off. You press off, the light goes on, it goes off. You press on, light goes on, light goes off. So it's not like this is a on, this is a off. They both do the same thing. So yeah, this just gets you through. There's nothing fancy here or nothing special, like how it would say section and all of that, auxiliary. Like, yeah, it sounds fancy, but yeah, it basically doesn't do much. It does what the buttons at the back of the light do. But let's check how bright it is. It will be very dark right now. Let me take you even a bit back more so that you can see nicely what this light does. Switch off the light, and then there was darkness. So now you don't see nothing, and we go like on, and we have light, and then off, and then it's off. On, it's on. Using the remote works well. And then the yellow button at the top, like I said, 2 more buttons do the same job as it. You go through the different lighting schemes. So those are the 3 schemes it has, or the 3 types of light it has. And then you can go low, and you can go high. And basically that's that. The section, like I said, does the same thing. Changes the light. The auxiliary does the same thing, changes the light. Nothing spectacular there. The middle one takes the light down, takes it up. There we go. And that's basically that, guys. So if you switch on here, so basically that's that, guys. That's the light, the ring fill light. I think the power cable becomes a bit of an inconvenience, but it will work if you just get yourself a power source. Make sure you've got an extension so that you can get the light wherever you need. You'll be fine. And then the stand is quite tall. It will be able to cater for a lot of scenarios. And because of the brightness of the light, if you've got light like now in the house, and then use this as your secondary light in order to make sure that everything is lighting properly, I think it will work best for you. Even though there is no light at all, and you plug this thing, I think it will be decent to use. So yep, guys, that is that. Both this ring fill light, 12-inch, and yeah, comes with quite a tall stand. So until the next one, guys, thank you for watching.